Welcome to this video. Please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel. Today, we are discussing one of the biggest debates in programming, JavaScript versus Python. Both are powerhouse languages, but they serve different purposes. If you're a developer, student, or someone looking to enter tech, understanding these languages will help you make the right choice. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear picture of which language suits your goals best. Let's dive in. JavaScript is the backbone of the web. It's used to create interactive websites and can even be used for back-end development with Node.js. Python, on the other hand, is known for its simplicity and is widely used in AI, automation, and data science. Both languages are powerful, but their applications differ. Let's explore them further. If you're new to programming, Python is the easier language to start with. Its syntax is simple and easy to understand. JavaScript, while not the hardest language, has some tricky concepts like asynchronous programming and closures. That being said, if you want to build for the web, JavaScript is essential. Python, however, provides a smoother learning curve. If you want to become a web developer, JavaScript is non-negotiable. Every modern website runs on JavaScript. With frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue, it powers interactive user interfaces. On the back end, Node.js allows JavaScript to handle server-side tasks. While Python has Django and Flask for web development, it doesn't dominate the web like JavaScript does. When it comes to artificial intelligence, data science, and automation, Python is king. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch make AI development seamless. Python's easy syntax allows researchers and engineers to prototype quickly. JavaScript does have TensorFlow.js for AI on the web, but it's not widely used for serious AI work. If AI is your goal, Python is the clear winner. Performance-wise, JavaScript is generally faster than Python because of just-in-time (JIT) compilation. This allows JavaScript to execute code quickly inside web browsers. Python, being an interpreted language, runs slower. However, Python can be optimized using C-based libraries like NumPy, making it competitive for data-heavy applications. Both JavaScript and Python developers are in high demand, but for different reasons. JavaScript developers are essential for web development, making them highly employable. Python developers, especially those in AI and data science, are among the highest paid in the tech industry. If you want a job quickly, JavaScript is a great option. If you want to future-proof your career, Python might be the better choice. JavaScript is continuously evolving, with new frameworks and technologies like Next.js and WebAssembly expanding its capabilities. Python is exploding in AI, automation, and scientific research. Both languages will remain highly relevant, but their roles will continue to evolve. Choosing the right one depends on your interests. If you love web development, JavaScript is your go-to language. If AI, automation, or data science excites you, Python is the right choice. Both languages have great opportunities, so the best choice depends on what you want to build and where you see yourself in the future. To wrap things up, JavaScript and Python are two of the most valuable languages today. JavaScript is irreplaceable for web development, while Python is leading AI and automation. Both are evolving, and both will stay relevant. Choose based on your passion and career goals, and you can't go wrong.